All right, since this is going to be the second part of the lecture, it looks like I only get 15 minutes on this software that I'm using. So anyway, what I'm saying is that I used to work for WHYY and I used to write copy for one of the announcers. And anytime I would use the word that, he would come over to my desk after the broadcast and say, never use that word, right? We're trying to make their job as easy as possible. One of the ways to do that is to take out all unnecessary words. Um, some of the rules are type only one story per page, right? So that they can go through it one, even if the story is only like 4 sentences long, just one page. End it with dash 30 dash. Use caps and lowercase instead of all caps. Some writers, beginning writers put their work in all caps because they want it to have emphasis. Leave that up to the announcer. You don't need to have it be in all caps. Don't hyphenate at the end of a line, right? If you have a word that is going to be hyphenated, just put it in the next line, right? And then see that script example in the textbook where you're talking about who you're focusing on, what is being said by that person. Then if there's some kind of cutaway, or if they're going to an actuality, use those scripts in the textbook. Every media organization probably has its own different version, like little quirks that they have. But pretty much, the basics are those scripts that are in textbook. Parts of a newscast, we talked about some of these written copy, voiceers done by the just announcers, right? Sound bites, those quotes, the wraparound, which is the information that goes around the soundbite or actuality. We have mini documentaries, stories that are more than a minute that are a little bit more detailed. We have voiceovers, which is read over video content. We have voiceover to soundbite, pretty much very similar to a wraparound. Then you have a package story where an anchor leads a reporter into a story that contains video, audio, and voiceovers. Can be up to about 2.5 minutes if you have the whole package where you have all the elements of the audio and visual in there. Then you have live shots where you usually have an anchor who goes to a reporter who's live at the scene. We see this all the time on Action News Philadelphia. So that's writing for broadcast. Um, Next time we're going to go over writing with images, and keep up the good work and stay smart and healthy out there.